Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So tonight we're looking at MicroStrategy stock. This one today is down by 3.7% at the time of filming. We need to speak about this. I'm going to be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions. If it sounds good, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. At the same time, I'd like you to remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Do make sure you are doing your own research. Now coming over here and looking at the stock, well, a few things to me are standing out very significantly. If we come over here, we can see the stock is actually falling, of course, but the momentum is slowing on that drop, and that is why you're seeing the RSI figures slightly increase, right? We're seeing the trend ultimately slow. The momentum to the downside is slowing, which begs the question as to whether these critical levels of support that we have seen in the past are going to come in again and potentially work as strong points. Now, levels that stand out to me, especially to the downside, well, a little bit higher than where we are right now. You could be looking at a support at 304. You could be looking at that support slightly lower at 302 or 303 potentially. And I think to the lower end, you're looking at some levels such as 300. I think 300 and really 298 is going to be a very strong range. If you see it holding this point, that would be ideal. But again, you also do have that potential low of 294, 295. So, again, for me, the question is whether this consolidation, which, to be honest, is what we are actually seeing. I mean, I know we are down today quite a bit, but we are seeing to a degree some consolidation. It's about seeing whether that actually holds up. This could be a very pivotal moment, but it really depends on your risk tolerance. It depends on your strategy with this one more long term, and it obviously depends on whether you think there is that potential. Me personally, I would like to see some more consolidation over the next few days before I had absolute confidence. Speaking of which, let's talk about levels to the upside. Now, I don't really want to be too foreshadowing. I don't want to look too far into the future, but very close short-term levels that I'm looking for. Very obviously, we are looking for 312.80. You are looking up for 315, 316, and a potential push on to 322, 323, and 324. That might be a very close range to where we are now, guys, but I don't want to be too foreshadowing, right? I don't want to look too far ahead and be over ambitious. So it's really about seeing if these levels hold up. If they do, we get a nice consolidation base. If they don't, my concern is whether we drop all the way down to the 392 range. That's just my opinion though. I'd love to hear yours. Thank you for your time, and goodbye for now.